Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi 13, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve your selfie camera and your camera on this device. So, as you know, here on this device you have really good back camera, but really bad front camera, okay? So, firstly, I will show you how photos from the front camera looks. So I will take a photo now. Okay, so here we have darkness. So I will take a photo. As you can see, HDR mode is enabled, and here I have photo with really not good quality, but here I have really great illumination. Here I have really great light in my work area, in my work station, and because of this I have really not bad photos taken on this really bad front camera. But if you will take a photo in your home when you have just only a lamp on your home, so your photo will be really with bad quality. So now I'll show you how to improve your camera. So firstly, open your web browser and find here Celso the video. Open this website, then find here Arnova 8G2. Here you can try different versions of this application, but I suggest to use this version. Now I'll show you. We need to find 18 build 2.0. So wait a while. I have installed this app few moments ago, so sorry I can't find it. I just need to check the version last. As you can see, I have tried really different versions of this app. So I'm so sorry, not Arnova but Unix, I don't know. So you need to find Unix, yes, and here find this version 73088. Unix 05 2.0, so we need this version. So find it and click download again, or just download. Wait a while, click open, install. Wait a while. And click open. You don't need to install any configs for this version because this version works great by default. And great, as you can see, camera is work, but now we need to set up it. So open settings, disable leave motion photos because it's reducing the quality of your pictures, and click settings. Then scroll down, find advanced here, and find here HDR plus control. Enable it. Then scroll down and find here HDR plus enhanced frames, and click high 25 frames. Great. Then go back, open these settings again, scroll down and enable Google Auto White Balance. So now clean your camera and let's take a photo. So you need to disable face retouching. And now let's check. As you can see, here we have Xiaomi camera and here we have Google camera. So I need to take this photo with a lamp, so sorry. Okay, so here is the difference. So remove old photo. Here is Xiaomi photo, here is Google photo. So as you can see, what we have in Xiaomi photo, I have blurred my face. I have really bad quality of my clothes, And as you can see here, the front light is really powerful, but here we have really clear face with really clear quality, really great clothes, and here we see the camera even. And great, that's it. So in this way, you need to test it, you need to try on different scenes this camera. Let's try, let's try, and comment this video, write in comments what do you think about it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.